In Vietnam, tons of discarded EVA foam sandals are waiting for a second life through advanced recycling technology. An industrial excavator feeds the elastic polymer waste into the primary material intake system. The conveyor system comes to life, initiating the fully automated sorting process for flexible plastic materials. AI-powered optical sensors analyze the polymer's molecular structure, evaluating the level of material degradation. A high-pressure washing chamber strips away mud, dirt, and stubborn surface contaminants. Cleaned plastic waste pours into the hopper of a heavy-duty multi-shaft industrial. Hardened alloy cutting shafts tear through the flexible polymer, breaking it into uniform fragments. A shower of plastic flakes falls onto a vibrating steel screen, preparing for precision particle classification. The vibrating separator grades particle sizes while eliminating ultrafine dust and impurities. Continuous centrifugal mixing ensures complete density uniformity throughout the recycled polymer. A high-intensity magnetic separator removes every trace of ferrous metal contamination. The fully homogenized plastic compound exits the system with standardized material properties. Under intense heat, the polymer chains gradually break down and transform into a molten state. A specialized reinforcing additive is precisely injected into the molten polymer, strengthening its molecular bonding and mechanical performance. A concentrated graphite black pigment is blended into the material, completely transforming its optical appearance and final color.
Pigment, creating
a concentrated graphite black pigment is blended into the material, completely transforming its optical appearance and final color. The molten compound is extruded onto a heat-resistant tray, where it begins preparing for precision forming. A robotic transfer system delivers the black polymer block to the mechanical compression molding station. A precision-engineered steel mold featuring thousands of hexagonal cavities is fully opened and ready for production. The molten thermoplastic is evenly distributed throughout the mold, completely filling every honeycomb cavity. Extreme compression force eliminates trapped air while creating a dense, solid internal structure. Liquid nitrogen rapidly cools the steel mold, instantly solidifying the newly formed polymer structure. Mechanical ejector pins gently release the black polymer core from the precision steel mold. What was once the perforated structure of an old plastic sandal has now been reborn as a lightweight, high-strength honeycomb core. Industrial laser scanners verify the core thickness with micron-level accuracy, ensuring every piece meets engineering specifications. From discarded plastic waste, an ultra-lightweight, impact-resistant honeycomb core has successfully been created. The opposite side is laminated with another layer of premium T700 carbon fiber, completing a high-performance 3-layer composite structure. Fresh out of the curing oven, the paddle face is perfectly flat, delivering exceptional surface hardness and maximum energy return. The composite blank is securely clamped onto the work table of a high-precision 5-axis CNC machining center. The freshly machined cross-section reveals a flawless sandwich construction with 2 T700 carbon fiber skins permanently bonded to the honeycomb core. A precision edge rounding cutter travels around the entire perimeter, removing sharp composite edges and creating a smooth, comfortable finish. A flexible TPU edge guard is continuously extruded, preparing for the automated installation process. Mechanical pressure rollers firmly press the TPU edge guard into place, ensuring a perfect fit along the paddle's entire thickness. A controlled heat sealing system permanently locks the protective edge guard in place, preventing separation during repeated impacts. An automated wrapping system applies a premium synthetic grip, providing superior traction and effective moisture absorption. Finishing tape and a molded rubber end cap securely lock the entire handle assembly together. High-resolution UV printing technology applies the signature honeycomb graphic directly onto the textured carbon fiber surface. Ultraviolet light instantly cures the specialized ink, permanently bonding the graphics to the paddle surface. A steel ball drop test demonstrates the outstanding energy return and structural strength of the honeycomb composite core. AI-powered inspection systems analyze the microscopic texture of the carbon fiber surface, ensuring every paddle meets the required spin performance standards. After passing every quality inspection, the finished paddle automatically slides into its protective plastic sleeve. What was once a pile of discarded roadside sandals has been transformed into a high-performance pickleball paddle, proving that yesterday's waste can become tomorrow's advanced sporting equipment.